Raise your hand and
Ma'am.
yeah, take away points from previous class, beta. What is the points we are taking to home, or else keeping in your brain? Yeah, what do you know? You just please give the points. You still. What is the chapter we discussed in previous class?
Ma'am, whole number. Whole number.
Very good. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers?
Ma'am, whole numbers
Yeah,
are
whole
numbers
numbers.
which start from
Yes,
zero.
Soumya, please, ma.
Ma'am, whole numbers are numbers which start from zero.
Yes, it's a set of numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Or else you can make it as a 0, including all natural numbers gives whole numbers. Right? Yes. And any other points we are taking? Yes, we completed chapter also, right? Soumya and Deepika. Which is the least whole number? Yes.
0.
0 is the least whole. Yeah, good. What are the different properties of whole numbers we discussed? Is there any order change property? It's nothing but commutative property. Yes or no? Or else associative property, we can add in any order, we can multiply in any order, but not subtract and division. Yes. And the same way associative property is nothing but grouping property or bracket shifting property. Let me just revise the points, children. What's our third chapter we supposed to start today? What is
Playing
the third chapter? Yes, playing with them. Yeah. Right, children. These are the last year. There are many topics you have, but this year everything was rationalized. After rationalized, we have very less topics. So only one day we'll complete our playing with numbers. Take much time to. Today we are going with other new chapters. Playing with numbers. You are going to play with your numbers. Yes, are you able to see my screen, children? Yes, I want the student, new student, Adrit, please, playing with numbers. In this chapter, there are a set of marbles. You have to take anything, marbles like or pebbles or whatever the things. There are different ways of arrangement is given. You can see either in row wise or column wise. How many rows are arranged here? One marble in each row. So number of rows are 6 rows. Total number of marbles in 6 rows is 1 into 6, which is 6. The same marbles they arranged in each row 2, 2. So here 2, again down 2, again third row 2. So 2 3s are 2 multiplied with 3 gives 6. This is another arrangement of 6 marbles. And not only that, we are going with arranging in some other way. 3 marbles in each row, like 3 marbles in each row. There are 2 rows. 3 into 2, which is 6. Once again, 6 can be arranged in some other different way. Now, not only this, row wise, column wise, you have to check column wise also. He could now think arrangement which can each row had 4 marbles or 5 marbles, so that only possible arrangement left was all 6 marbles in a row. Because 3, 4, if you arrange, it won't be exactly filled. Suppose, as he said, 4 marbles or 5 marbles, if we arrange in a row, so what happened? It won't fix, it won't exactly arranged. So that directly 6 marbles, number of rows is 1, number of total marbles in one row is 6. So 6 into 1 is 6. These are the different possibilities we can arrange the 6 marbles. Why I am teaching all these things means, so the representation of 6 can be written as, you can express 6 is in 1 into 6, or else 6 can be represented as 2 into 3, or 3 into 2, or 6 into 1. These are the different ways of expressing the number. Yes, from these two, from 6 equal to 2 into 3, it can be set to 2 and 3 exactly divided by 6. So if you divide 6 by 2, you are going to get 3. If you divide 6 by 3, you are going to get 2. From other product, 1 into 6, same. Any number, if you are expressing as a product of number, means those are the exact divisors, children. Or also we can call it as the factors of 6. Factors of 6. So to represent what are factors, means factors, thus 1, 2, 3 are exact divisors of 6. Factors which are exactly divisible by the given number. Try the arrangement of 18 marbles in each row and find the factors of 18. This is just practically they are giving. Suppose the small number they are taking like 8 marbles. Suppose if you are taking 6 marbles or 6 pebbles, whatever the way you are taking. Okay. Okay, anything. How many ways there? What is the number they mentioned? 16, right? 16 or 18?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Yeah, come on, children, please arrange 18 in a row or column or whatever you can. So first, so 18 in 1 into 18 like that. If you arrange the, okay, it is difficult for me to draw here, children. I'll take a pen and draw things here so that it is easy for me. So 18 can be expressed in how many ways? That's our question. So we can write it as so 18 like that 18 number 18 ways you can. So how you supposed to write here, children? 18 can be expressed as 1 into 18. So which is 18. And if you arrange 2, 2 means how many you will get, ma? How many you will get?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So here 2 into 9, which is also 18. So here 1 into 18, which is 18. Suppose if I arranged 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, then 15, then 18. How I arranged here? How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is? Yes or no? 6 into 3 is also 18, right? If I arranged 4, is it possible to arrange 4, children? Because 4, if I'm arranging, you see, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. But these two are empty. So this arrangement is not possible. So 5 is also not possible. 6 is also 6. Maybe it's 3 into 6 or 6 into 3. Both are same. So let me go with 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, I can arrange 9. So how I should arrange here? 9 into 2, which is 18. So that means 18 can be represented in 1 into 18 or 2 into 9 or 3 into 6. 18. 3 6 are 18. Next 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 cannot. 6 already we wrote 6 into 3 or 3 into 6, both are same. Then what, children? 9 into 2 already we wrote. What are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These are 18. Suppose these are the small numbers we can arrange. But how if suppose a big number is given? What are the factors for big number? How you supposed to find out? Yes. How you will find out, children? Each and every factor is exact divisor of the given number. Suppose if you see here, this is 18, right? What are the factors of 18? 18 by 1 is exactly 18. If 18 by 2 is exact, there is no remainder. Again, 18 by 3 is 6. There is no remainder. 18 by 9 is 2. There is no remainder. That's all. 18 by 18 is 1 again. 18 by 1 or 81. This is you can. That means it's the exact divisors. Yes. Factors as exact divisors of the given number, so that you can suppose if you want to test the 562 is a factor of 6 or not. Suppose my question is 562 is factor of 6 or not? So 562 is factor of 6 or not? So how you will test, children? You should, what you should do?
Ma'am, by the divisibility rules.
Very good. You should divide first, because exact if remainder you are getting, this is a factor. Yes or no? 6 9s are 54. 2 is remainder. Bring down to 6 3s are 18. So remainder you are getting as a 4. So this is not 562 is not a factor of 6. Yes. Because each and every factor should be exact divisor of the given number, children. That's why you have to, that's the easiest way to check whether the given number is exactly divisible, means it is a factor. It's not divisible means it's not a factor. That's all. That's a simple technique you should remember.
Ma'am, we even have divisibility rules, right?
Exactly. Divisibility rule, we are going with, we are using the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What are different divisibility rules, ma? We learned in our previous
Ma'am,
classes.
I know two.
Okay, what is 2 rule, Deepika?
Ma'am, the units place must be even numbers.
Very good. The units place must be even number. Very good.
Ma'am, and then
Rule
3
2. What
is
is rule D?
3.
Divisibility rule. D rule 2 is last digit should be even. Digit should be even. Yes, D rule 3.
Ma'am, 3 is
So
the
if you want examples also, you can check 5,090, 50,094. Last digit is even means yes, it is divisible by 2. D rule 3.
ma'am, the digits sum must be divisible by 3.
Yes, sum of digits. Digits is sum. Sum of digits must be divisible by
3.
divisible by 3. Suppose, for example, the number if you take 1, 2, 7, 2. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not.
No, ma'am.
Yes, you have to check. So 1 plus sum of digits means you have to add up the digits, all the digits. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Is 12 divided by 3? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is divisible.
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore 1272 is also divisible by 3. That is divisibility rule 3. And only two rules you know, ma? Any other rules?
Ma'am, I know 5.
Ma'am, 4.
Yeah, Soumya, please tell what is 4 or 5?
If the digit in its ones place is 0 or 5.
Can you repeat, Nana?
Ma'am, if the digit in its ones place is 0 or 5.
Very good, very good. D rule 5. Yeah, what she said, D rule 5, she said. Very good. D rule 5 is last units digit. That means last digit or units digit. Yeah, units digit should be
Ma'am,
0 or 5. Very good, ma. So, for example, you can take 5005. So, units place is 5. So, it is divisible. For example, 10,000. The units place is 0. It is also divisible, right? Yes,
ma'am, I know the divisibility rule of 4.
Deepika, 4 also you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Deepika. What is divisibility rule 4?
Ma'am, there are two rules of 4.
Hmm.
Either the tens and units place some should be divisible by 4
Tens and units, sum should be, or only the digits should be?
digits.
Yeah, it's not sum beta. That's very important. You see, with example, I'll help you. 480, 4,848. If you see the last two digits, what are last two digits? 48. 48 should be exactly divisible by 4 table or not. 4 ones are 4. Bring down 4 ones are 4. Bring down 8.
Ma'am,
So
it's
4 twos are
divisible,
8.
ma'am.
Yeah. So last digit, last two digits, that means units and tens. Units and tens. Exactly divisible by?
4.
Exactly divisible by what?
4.
Divisible by 4. What is other rule, ma?
Ma'am, the last two digits, that means units and tens, must be 0.
Exactly true. Very good.
Ma'am, I know 6.
Just
Ma'am.
Yeah, children, divisibility rule is last two digits are exactly divisible by 4, or last two digits should be either 0, 0. Units and tens should be 0, 0. Suppose any number, for example, if you see 9,407, 94,700. What are last two digits should be 0. Without doing directly, you can by looking only last two digits are 0. So the number is divisible by 4, you can say. That's one way. And this is only not only 2. If you have suppose ma'am, suppose the number having 3 zeros also, it is yes. If it is 2, we are not going with other. If any last two digits are 0, it is exactly divisible by 4. That's all, children. That's about D rule 4. Any other rules, children? Any other
Ma'am, I
rules?
know of 6.
Oh, 6 rule. Okay, who is this? Soumya. Okay, Soumya, come on, carry on, Soumya.
Ma'am, if a number is divisible by if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is
Very
divisible
good.
by 6.
Rule 2, rule 2 should be true, and rule 3 should be true. If both true means rule 6 is true. If any one fails, one pass means rule is not true. D rule 6 true. Yes, very good, Soumya. Any other students? I want answer from my boy students, because boys are not answering it. Boys, only I want other rules from my boy students. Where is the child? Sri Tej?
Ma'am, I do not know much divisibility rules. I knew about 3, but
Okay. Don't worry, if you are not aware about it also, it's very easy. I will help you. Don't worry. And what about Adrit?
Ma'am, should we take the notes or not?
No, don't
Actually,
take
don't
this.
know.
I will provide you. We have notes already. Don't take right now. Whenever I started the lesson, the key points you can take. Okay.
Ma'am,
What about rule 7 or rule 8, rule 9? What about rule 10?
ma'am, I know of rule 9 and 10.
Soumya. Again, Soumya. Yeah, 10 rule is more easy, Soumya.
Ma'am, I know of 9 also.
Okay, what is 10 rule?
Ma'am, the 10th rule is if the digit in its ones place is 0.
Yeah, last digit is units digit is 0. Very good. Only unit digit you are going to check for D rule 10. Divisibility, D means divisibility, children. Divisibility rule 10 means last digit be 0. So last digit, example, you can take a 10 table, 10, 20, 30, 1,000. These all are units place. So you, yes, correct, right, Soumya?
Ma'am, I know of 9 also.
Yeah, what is 9 rule, Soumya?
Ma'am, if a number is divisible by 9,
Which is similar to what?
if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 9.
Very good. It is similar to divisibility rule 3. 1, 7, 2, 8, 9. Whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. So what is you have to say similar to rule 3? Rule 3 is sum of digits. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. What is sum? 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 9. Sum of digits. So 8 plus 2, 10, 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 will come in 9 table or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 27 will come in 9 table. So yes, it is divisible by Yes, it is divisible by 9. That's all.
Ma'am, I also know of 11.
That's about divisibility rule 9, children. Rule 10, rule 6, rule. What else leftover? Who will say leftover? Leftover is one of the D rule invented by the student Chika. Chika is the name. He is a very 12 years old boy. He invented rule 7, divisibility rule 7. It's a very interesting rule, children. Earlier we are learning with very difficulty, great
Ma'am,
difficulty.
the difference
Yeah.
the rule 7 is the difference between twice the unit digit of the given number, and the remaining part of the given number should be a multiple of 7, or it should be equal to 0.
Exactly correct, Ashwath. Very good. See, Ashwath, what is that? I'll just through example, I'll help you. Very good, Ashwath. Chika is a 12 years old boy. He invented the D rule 7, divisibility rule 7. He is playing with numbers one day. Suddenly he got an idea. Suppose, let me go with this is the number. You can think that this is the number. Which digits is in units? By looking only you can say, but rule we need to understood. Units place digit you make as a twice. So if you make as a twice, what it becomes? 7 2s are 14. Then subtract from the remaining digits. What are remaining digits? 4770. If you subtract from the remaining digits, it becomes 1456. Same process, units place you have to make it twice, and 6 2s are 12. Subtract from previous digits 145. 145 minus 12 is 145 minus 12, which is 3. 14 minus 1 is 13. 133. Again, same Chika's test you should apply. Units place digits twice. Make it as 6. And this is 13. 13 minus 6 is, what is the value of 13 minus 6? 7. So 7 is exactly divisible by 7. So the given number is divisible by 7. So 7 is factor of 14, 7 not 7. 14,007 not 7. This is the test for 7 rule is little different, unique one, children. Only you are doing units digit twice and subtracting from the other digits. So that's all.
Ma'am,
Hope
I
you
know
understand.
the 15th rule.
That we will learn. Those are the sub rules. We will discuss those little later. First, we are going with rule number 8. D rule 8, if you are discussing, that's fine. What is D rule 8, children? Like 4 rule, we have 2 rules here. Like 4, we have 2 rules. Last 3 digits should be divisible. Last 3 digits should be divisible by
8.
8. Divisible by 8. Or this is one case. Or the last 3 digits should be 0 0 0. The last 3 digits be 0 0 0. By looking only you can. So 7,000. Yes, it is exactly divisible by 4 table. If you 8 table, if you want, you can test also. 7,000 by 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 6 is remainder. Bring down 0. 8 7s are. Yes, 4 is remainder. Bring down 0. 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 0. Yes, sir. So 875. So we can say directly which is exactly divisible by divisible by 8. That's about these are different divisibility rules, children. You don't worry if you are not getting also, don't worry. D rule 7 only different one. Rest all are very similar to this or that. D rule 7 is you are going to treat, you are going to apply some test on units place visit.
Ma'am, can you conduct a quiz now for the whole numbers?
Yes, ma. Yes, that's all. That's about divisibility rules. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
The 7 rule, did you, how many of you understood 7 rule? Please raise your hand so that I can, because that won't understood much so fast. Only units
Can
place.
you tell
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you tell the divisibility rule of 7 again?
Yeah, D rule 7 is, see, suppose if you take a number, what number? Suppose if I'm taking 147, whether it is divisible by 7 or not. This is very simple number, you can say directly also. But what is the procedure? Very important. Make units place twice. 7 twos are how much, ma?
14.
14.
14. Whatever the rest of the digits here,
14.
14 minus 14 is
0.
Zero.
this should be either 0 or multiples of 7. Then only we can say this is divisible, multiples of 7. Suppose if you take another number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we are going to test? First, you are going to make the twice the units place, which is 10. What are the leftover digits here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 means you are going to get 1, 2,
1,
2,
2,
4.
2, 4.
So again, same you make the twice the digit. So which is,
8.
what is leftover digits?
100.
122 minus 8 is 1,
4.
4. Yes or no? 114 or 124?
1, 1.
1, 1, 4, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Now again, once again, the same thing. Make a twice the number.
8.
8. 11 minus 8. 3. 3 is
3.
not divisible by,
7.
7. So this is not a factor of 7. This number is not factor of 7. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not factor of 7. Hope you understood, Nana. Divisibility rule 7.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is one of the boy, 12 years old boy. His name was Chika. Chika invented this test. That's why this test we can call it as Chika's test.
Ma'am, can
Right.
you conduct now that whole numbers test?
Oh, I did not give, right? Yes, yes, Shashwat, I should give test on whole numbers because we are not discussed also. Now, now I'm going to give a small test on whole numbers. You're supposed to start writing because the divisibility rules are all together if I'm teaching. And once again, topic I'm teaching, you may get confused. Tomorrow we are going with what are factors, what are multiples, how we are getting factors, what are the different properties. So that means whatever the points to remember on facts about factors and multiples. All these things we discussed when we are going with exercise 3.1. Before going to that, we are going with all these basic things should be ready. Then we can go with the chapter, right? Which chapter should give, Ashwath?
Whole number.
Whole numbers. Yeah, there are multiple questions ready. Yeah, you can. Children, Sritej and Adrit, any difficulty in understanding the divisibility rules?
No, ma'am. I understood it
No.
all.
Very good, Sritej, because it's a little theoretical part. You can. Then once we are starting exercises, you can feel little comfort too. Please don't feel so sad. All divisibility rules, you can just make revise once again by taking revision also. It's about the day. And we are going with a small quiz on whole numbers, beta. Okay, are you ready? Adrit and Sri, Soumya, Ashwath, Deepika. Yeah, prove yourself. Only
Okay,
basic
ma'am.
questions. I'm not giving tough questions, only basic questions. Yeah, children, please give you a minute time, children. I'm taking the right one for you. How many questions you want, children?
50.
Who is this? Who is this? Then the Sritej and Adrit will scare today only. First day. Hello, hero.
Yes,
Soumya, how
ma'am.
many questions you want, Soumya?
Ma'am, give at least 10.
My wish. You can. Can I give 20 or 15 or 10?
Ma'am, your choice.
Okay, Deepika.
Ma'am, I'm only confused.
Deepika and Ashwath are ready with what number of questions if I'm given? I know other day they did 50 questions very patiently. Very good, very good. Okay, well, I'm not going to stress more. Only 10 or 15 to 20 questions. So that's all, children. Try to do more fast, children.
Ma'am,
So
are
that
you going to present it?
what Soumya?
Are you going to present the question?
Yeah, I'll present the board also. 1 minute, Soumya. I'll take the relevant questions should be given to you.
Okay.
Okay, there is questions are very easy. You can try it, children. Properties also, please think and do it, children. Because we are already classics only, right? Okay. Try to do anyway, I'll help you. Don't worry. Yeah, your quiz is ready right now. I am sending the link in your WhatsApp no chat box to everyone. I can share. Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, I'm giving control C copy control next. Oh, quiz code only you are getting? No, so okay. 1 minute, children. Game code copied. Yeah, please join quickly, children. Yes, please, all of you join quickly. The children, don't worry. If you are not getting also, please don't worry. I will help you. I will help you. Try to do whatever the questions you know. Right, and present the screen also, so that you people can enjoy. Yes, first. Sri, Dev, Deepika, Ashwath, Soumya, are you joining now? Soumya, are you there? Yeah. Right, children. Yes, all the best, all of you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ashwath, I think Ashwath and Sritej both are completed. Soumya, Adrit and Deepika are doing last few bits. Yeah, try it, nothing to worry. Can we discuss the questions of these children?
Amma.
Deepika is also last question. Last two students of it.
Yes, ma'am, we can discuss. Okay. Adrit. Mela. One. Second rank down.
Yes, yes, yes. I think Deepika, Ashwath, and Sritej was done. Adrit and Soumya are doing. Good, good children. Everyone are taking a sportive way. We will discuss the questions, not an issue. Don't worry. In next class, we will discuss all these questions. How yeah, who completed? You can leave, children. Very good. Deepika, Ashwath, Adrit, Sritej, Soumya, everyone doing well. Good. But few mistakes were done by the students. Those we will correct tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Adrit, there is a last question. Soumya is also trying to do fast.
Ma'am, can I leave? I'm done with my quiz. Ma'am, can I leave? I'm done with my quiz.
Yeah, yes, yes, Deepika, Ashwath, everyone you can. Wow, so far Adrit. And latest, and they are going very fast. Good, good. At end, you are giving a beautiful end. And the Soumya is here. She's doing. Let her complete.
Bye,
You
ma'am.
other people, you can leave. Bye. Have a nice day.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Bye, children. Bye. Yes, very good, Adrit. Good. At last tried, you did well.